Hello people, welcome back. Watch I ship this banana ice cream at the comfort of my house. We are at 31 degree. It's so hot, so I decided to make myself a quick ice cream recipe. Follow me guys. Some ice cubes and some milk that I kept inside the freezer, so I'll just add it to my crusher. And guys, follow me for more amazing videos. All my old subscribers, thank you for always returning to give me a like, to leave me a comment. Thank you all. If you are new to the channel, please follow me for more amazing videos. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notifications. So I added yogurt. That yogurt is vanilla yogurt. I added just a slime of milk and I'm going to crush it properly. Follow me on all social media handles: TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. The same name, Lady B Varieties. Also feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find. I have health videos, cooking recipe, health recipe, family lifestyle, skills on how to cut vegetables. So that is it guys. So once it is properly crushed, I'll serve myself guys. This ice cream is a go. Spring all the way. Welcome to spring guys. Look at that. Nice. Sugar free, conservatives free. Everything perfect. Fluffy and nice. Good to go. Enjoy. Bye. See you in my next one.